Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll talk about one of the pretty cool print-on-demand platforms out there, that is Society6. So in this video, I'd like to walk through Society6 and share with you some tips and tricks to upload your design there to make money online. And first of all, I actually consider Society6 as a dark horse of print-on-demand business for some reasons. The first reason is for designers, Society6 has lower competition than other some print-on-demand websites like Redbubble, Etsy, Merch by Amazon. So when you upload your design there on Society6, you get more opportunities to make sales. Reason number two, on Society6 you can optimize your designs to search engines, so you can get more sales organically or from search results or from the marketplace. The reason number three, on Society6 you will get decent and reasonable royalties. Number four, on Society6 you will find a lot of products you can print your design on, like home decor, furniture, apparel, wall art, lifestyle items, and etc. And you can put your design on all these products in one upload process. Number five, one of the best niches that does very well here on Society6 is the pattern or landscape, or generally the design that covers the entire item. And now let's head to the Society6, okay, to know some tips and tricks to upload your design and to make money online. And firstly, on Society6, to sign up here, just you have to pay $1 to verify your account and prove yourself as a serious designer to make money online on Society6. And after making an account here on Society6, just you can go to this one, sell your design, to upload your design. And as I said before, one of the best niches here is the pattern design, landscape, the design that covers the entire item. Okay, so click over this one, sell, and here you can add new design or upload your first design, like this one, add new design. And the first step here, just you can upload your design, and here you can upload the different versions or different dimensions of your design to fit all products on Society6. And one of these design dimensions would be taken as a featured version that would be used on the wall art and wouldn't be changed later. Okay, so you can upload here your design with dimensions 4,000 for width and height, and another one with dimensions 8,000 for height and width, and so on. Okay, so for example, after making your design on Canva, Vista Create, or Photoshop with a start point, with the start dimensions, for example, if we take this one, this pattern of watermelon with dimensions 4,000 for width and height, so I can resize this design to higher dimensions, which is about 10,000 for width and height, to cover all items and products on Society6, from home decor, furniture, lifestyle items, apparel, and so on. So we can go together to this amazing website, which is so called Convert Image to PNG, imageonlineconvert.com. Here you can upload your start point, your start design, to resize it to different dimensions. For example, we can click over that, choose file, this one, okay, this watermelon pattern, and now we can insert these new dimensions here for width and for height. So for example, we can insert 10,000 for both width and height. Okay, to make sure that this design covers all items on your Society6 account. And now we can click over this one, start, just a few seconds, as you see, and here you will find your design with new dimensions. So go back to Society6, okay, and now upload your featured version, select the file, this one with new dimensions, as you see, 10,000 for width and height. And as I said before, here you can upload different dimensions and different sizes of your design, as you see, these new dimensions. and now we can insert a title like watermelon pattern, okay, for example. And now continue. Check this one, and does this artwork contain mature content? No, and continue. So good so far. And here you will find that your design would be on all items or most of items on Society6: apparel, home decor, lifestyle items, furniture, as you see, pillows, tapestries, wall arts, okay, through planked, wallpaper, for rugs, coffee table, bench, and iPhone cases, and so on and so forth. Perfect. And to optimize your design and your products to search engines or to get more sales organically from the marketplace, here you can insert your details of your design. Like you can select the category. So this watermelon pattern we can consider as a graphic design or a drone or painting, okay. And here you will find suggested tags of your design that help you to make your design rank for these keywords like oil, watercolor, graphite, ink, digital, and so on, pattern, okay. And here you have to insert your tags carefully. And to get tags to your designs here on Society6, there are 4 ways. The first way, you can go to the homepage of Society6, and here you can insert, for example, watermelon pattern, okay. And here you will find a lot of suggestions of the most searched keywords regarding your search intent, watermelon pattern. Here you can search for this keyword as a customer. So you'll find here some related keywords like graphic design, fruit pattern, watermelons, watermelon lover, watermelon design, watermelon slices, pattern, cute watermelon, and show more, like fruits pattern, fruit style, summer design, kawaii watermelon, and so on. So you can get some of these beautiful and related and relevant keywords in your design details, okay. So the first way is you can get help from these suggestions from Society6 itself. The second way, you can just check out one of these beautiful items like this one to check out which tags used in this design. So we can go down a little, and here these tags like kawaii, watermelon, watermelon doodle, watermelon pattern, and so on and so forth. So you can get some relevant and related keywords to your tags. The third way, you can check out the old tags that used on other print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Merch by Amazon, and Etsy, and for sure people search for the same keyword on all print-on-demand websites. For example, we can get help from one of these beautiful websites like Merch Titans, this Redbubble tag generator, for example. And here you can insert your intent keyword, your main keyword of your design, like watermelon pattern. And here you will find a lot of relevant keywords that you can use in your design, like summer, watermelon pattern, cute, food, green, sweet, tropical, healthy, nature, fresh, happy, orange, and so on and so forth, okay, as you see. And the fourth way to get tags to your design on Society6 is a guesswork. Yes, guesswork. You can guess the words, related keywords to describe your design more, like watermelon pattern, funny watermelon pattern, summer vibes, and so on, okay. So there are 4 ways to get tags to your design. So we can go back to Society6, okay, and insert here your tags up to 20 related tags. And as for description of your design, you have to describe your design and what your design is talking about, plus a call to action. And for sure, to get a powerful and an attractive description of your design on Society6, You can get help from artificial intelligence tools. One of the beautiful websites is copy.ai. Copy.ai. Here you can generate a lot of copies for social media marketing, for your blog business, and for sure you can generate your product description or design description. And after making a free account here on copy.ai, we can go to the left panel and search for product description, as you see. So click over that, and now you have to insert some details like your product. So we can type here design, for example, and describe your product. Some sentences to describe your design, like a design of watermelon pattern for summer vibes, for example. Okay, and now we can click over this one after choosing your tone: friendly or excited, relaxed, or professional, adventurous, witty, or persuasive. So we can get off this default option and create a content. As you see, the design was created to evoke summer vibes. The red and white watermelon print in the perfect graphic for a warm weather getaway and so on. Give your phone a fresh look if you want to promote something like iPhone case and so on. Okay, as you see, so we can copy this one, the first copy, and back to your Society6 and insert here. And of course, you have to insert in your tags shorted keywords and long tail keywords. And of course, I have talked about this interesting topic in a previous video. You'll find this video below in the first comment. And of course, you have to insert more descriptive title, like with a yellow background for summer vibes and so on. So you can insert your main keyword in your title and make your title more detailed and more descriptive. Okay, and to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.